Hello, good afternoon, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. So since today is daylight savings time, today's Navajo Word of the Day is hour. So to say hour in Navajo, you say Ahéé'ílkid, Ahéé'ílkid, hour. To use it in a sentence, to say daylight savings time, you would say Ná'oolkiłí, t'ahla Ahéé'ílkid be Náás Ninádajiiłkeed. To say that again, you would say Ná'oolkiłí, t'ahla Ahéé'ílkid be Náás Ninádajiiłkeed, which you're saying you're moving the clock ahead 1 hour, or when people move the clock ahead 1 hour. And that's how you would say daylight savings time in Navajo. But today's Navajo word of the day, since it's daylight savings time, is Ahéé'ílkid, Ahéé'ílkid, hour. And that's today's Navajo word of the day. Enjoy! And I hope you moved your clock 1 hour ahead so that you're not running late today. Have a nice day.